In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all beta? I hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher from Metropolitan School. Dear students, in previous classes we have discussed about pollution. Pollution is when gases, smoke and chemicals are introduced into the environment that makes it harmful for humans. Unhealthy and dirty environment causes pollution. A pollutant is any substance or energy that causes unhealthy effects on living things and disturbs the surroundings when it enters an environment. Smoke from fire, vehicles and industries, plastic bags, empty bottles, industrial, hospital and home wastage are some examples of pollutants. These things make our environment polluted and spread pollution. Pollution is very harmful for us and all other living beings. There are three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution. Air pollution is the pollution of air by smoke and harmful gases. Many human activities create air pollution. Air pollution mainly human activities की वजह से होती है. इंडस्ट्रीज से जो स्मोक और हार्मफुल गैसेस निकलती हैं वो हमारी एयर में शामिल हो जाती हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमारी एयर पोल्यूटेड हो जाती है और ये मेन कॉज है एयर पोल्यूशन का. Air pollution occurs when smoke, dust, ash and poisonous gases enter the air. Air pollution can cause various diseases like cough and asthma. Introduction of impurities and toxic chemical into water cause water pollution. वाटर में जब टॉक्सिक केमिकल्स और इम्प्योरिटीज शामिल हो जाती हैं तो वो वाटर पोल्यूटेड हो जाता है, जिससे वाटर पोल्यूशन कॉज होती है. Water pollution occurs when waste from industries and homes enter fresh water resources such as river, lakes and ponds. Addition of any pollutant in water that makes the water unhealthy or harmful to living beings causes water pollution. Polluted water can cause many diseases like typhoid. Soil pollution occurs when waste water from fields and industries get absorbed in the soil. Throwing of garbage on land also causes soil pollution. Soil pollution can affect the life of human beings because vegetables and fruits that are grown in polluted soil contain poisonous substances that cause various health problems in human beings. Pollution is one of the serious matter and the enemy of nature and human. Pollution is like a curse of humanity, nature, and other living beings on earth. We should do our best and make some preventive measures for reduce pollution from the environment. Following suggestions are given to reduce the pollution from the environment. We should not burn garbage near residential areas and it should be disposed away to proper garbage dumping site. हमें रेजिडेंटल एरियाज के करीब गार्बेज बर्न नहीं करना चाहिए. जो हम कचरा जलाते हैं अपने एरियाज में वो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए, बल्कि जो गार्बेज डंपिंग साइट्स होती हैं वहां प्रॉपर डिस्पोज करना चाहिए कचरे को. We should grow plants and trees wherever possible. Trees provide fresh air, so if we breathe clean air, our bodies will become healthier. Plant a tree, save the planet. We should limit the use of chemicals in farming as they pollute the soil and may seep into underground water. Farmers जो chemical use करते हैं farming के लिए, इनको कम से कम यूज करना चाहिए. इससे सॉइल पोल्यूटेड हो जाती है और जो अंडरग्राउंड वाटर होता है वो भी पोल्यूटेड हो जाता है. इसलिए फार्मर्स को चाहिए कि वो केमिकल्स का कम से कम इस्तेमाल करें. We should not use fossil fuel in transport and industries. What are the fossil fuel, beta? Fossil fuels are carbon and hydrogen compound which can be burned for energy. Coal, oil, and natural gas are examples of fossil fuels. We should properly dispose industrial and domestic wastewater. There are number of reasons to say no to plastic bags. We must stop using them to better our environment because plastic bags pollute our land and water and they are harmful to human health. We used paper bag and cloth bag instead of plastic bag. Students, tell me, what have you learned in this topic? Pollution is the process of making the environment pollute the water and the air by adding harmful substances. Pollution causes an imbalance in the environment. There are some ways through which we can reduce pollution. We should not burn garbage. It should be disposed properly. Burning trash can cause long-term health problems. Planting trees is one of the main way to reduce pollution. They clean the air we breathe. We should grow plants and trees wherever possible. We should limit the use of the chemicals in farming. We should properly dispose of the industrial and domestic wastewater. We should reuse things like paper bag. We should recycle plastic bottles. We should do our best to reduce pollution from the environment. Be a part of solution, not pollution. Now students, I am giving you some homework. Do question number 14 from your book, page number 67. This is a long question. Question number 14 is describe 3 methods to reduce pollution. Do formative assessment from your book, page number 65 and 66 in your classwork copy. This is your homework. I hope you got the lesson in a better way. This was Miss Kurutulan signing off. May Allah increase your knowledge. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.